All right, we got these great 40 pieces of adhesive eye patches. I got them all down here, 40 pieces. So you're gonna be good to go as far as your replacement needs, whether you're gonna be wearing one of these per day or whatever you're gonna be doing. There's a lot of them, 40 of them. Amazing. So two different sizes. They come in about 3 by 2 inches, or there's also another size which is 3.3 inches by 2.2 inches, I believe. Let me just double check. 3.3 inches by 2.3 inches. So great, as you can see, fits perfectly. Great. I got to be careful. I can't make any health claims or medical claims, but depending on what your usage is for this, this is going to come in very handy, very easy to apply. I'm just going to actually go ahead and take this one off and show you how to apply another one. So let's just take one right here. You're going to come in here and you're basically just going to open. It's very easy to open this slot right here. It's basically sort of similar to a Band-Aid. Just peel that right off. The Band-Aid's right in here. Come right in here, peel that away. Peel this away. Now you can just stick it right where your eye's at, and you're good to go. So very easy to use, comes in very handy, 40 of them, great value, highly recommend.